Hi children, hope you are doing good. Today we are going to have another session and we are going to learn how to write the words with capital Y and small y. And we have page numbers 33 and 34 and video number 34. By now I think you all are thorough with your cursive writing. Your writing also might have become very beautiful just like you. Am I right? Yes, that was a very loud answer. Happy to hear that. Okay children, let's go to the words. Now you have the words year. Year means not this year, like what you have on both the sides. It is year, academic year, new year, 2000 is 1 year, 2001 is 1 year, 2002 is 1 year. Now we are in 2020, that is 1 year. Right. Happy New Year. We wish Happy New Year. We wish have a wonderful year. Then I am waiting to celebrate my birthday this year. Right. Now, we have yam. Y-A-M, yam. You might have seen it, but you do not know that that's the name for it. Some might have seen, some might have not seen. Yam is just like a sweet potato. It's like a sweet potato. You boil it and you eat it. It's a bit sweet. Not so sweet like sugar, but it's edible. Then we have you. The word you. When do you use the word you? Did you do your homework? Did you eat ice cream? Did you go to play in the park? So many things, right? You. It's you. Are you writing, my little children? Yes. So that is the way how it is used. Now, coming to yak. Yak children, it is so furry. It's like a buffalo, but it's not a buffalo. Buffalo doesn't have, or cow doesn't have any hair on it. But the yak is covered with hair, long hair. Okay, long hair. You cannot see the skin, outer skin of the yak. It is only fully covered with fur. We are going to see in the pictures how it looks. Then Y-E-S, yes. My sweet ones, when I ask you, are you writing your worksheets? What do you say? Yes, miss, I am. Yes. Did you eat chocolate? Yes, mama, I did. That's the way you answer, right? Yes. So now, we have yummy. We all enjoy food, isn't it? So everybody, let it be a baby, let it be an old woman or man. We all enjoy food. So when you see, for example, you are a non-vegetarian, you like to eat meat. For example, chicken roast is made in front of you. How do you feel? Yummy, right? Because you love to eat meat. And if it is a person who does not eat meat, loves only vegetable. For example, mushroom, paneer, all these comes under vegetable or any vegetable, not only those, any vegetable. Suppose eggplant, that is egg fruit, brinjal we call. So maybe that is your favorite vegetable. When mama prepares that, you can smell it. So yummy, mama, what are you preparing? Is it my favorite vegetable? Yes. Let it be vegetarian, let it be non-vegetarian. We all feel yummy when something is really yummy, right? So let's get started. How to write these words. So, take your pencils, tight. Let's write it now. We started on the second line, go up, come down, capital Y, come down to the fourth line, Y-E-A-R, ear. Then let's repeat once again. Y, come down, E, Right. Y-E-A-R, year. Then let's go for the yam. Same way Y. Then A-M. Let's repeat. Y-A-M. That's it. Y-A-M, yam. Now, let's go to U. Y-O-U. Let's do the second time. Y-O-U. Shall we repeat these words, children, on the first line? Y-E-A-R, year. Right. Y-E-A-R, year. Y-E-A-R, year. Very good. So, the next one, point out at the next one. Y-A-M, yam. Y-A-M, yam. Y-A-M, yam. Right. Y-O-U. Y-O-U, U. Y-O-U, U. Now, we have yak. Let's write it. Between the second, third line, small letters, Y-A-K, yak. Let's write once again, Y-A-K, yak. So, yak is done. Let's go to the next word. Y-E-S. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Now we are done with yak. We are done with Y-E-S. Yes. Let's write the last yummy word. Y-U-M-M-Y. Just let's repeat, my little children. Y-U-M-M-Y. That's it. Let's repeat this. Y-A-K, yak. Y-A-K, yak. Right. Y-A-K, yak. Good. Now, move your fingers to yes. Y-E-S, yes. Y-E-S, yes. Then we have yummy. Y-U-M-M-Y, yummy. Y-U-M-M-Y, yummy. So now, children, we are done with the 6 words. Let's see how to use them in sentences. Let's get started. We have the word year. Y-E-A-R, right? Let's see how to use it in a sentence. It is the coldest time of the year. What you can see in this picture? They are closing and covering a blanket. It's so cold. So, it is the coldest time of the year. It is the hottest time of the year. It is the worst time of the year. It is the best time of the year. Right. Let's see the next one. We have Happy New Year. When the year begins, what do? We say Happy New Year. We wish our relatives, friends, family, we wish them, right? Happy New Year. Next, yam. So, how do we use this yam in a sentence? Let's have a look. Did you see a yam anytime? Did you see a yam anytime? Some might have seen, some might have not seen. So, it looks like this. This is yam. He's playing with the yam. It looks like a potato which is little stretched, or a sweet potato which is stretched, or you can imagine a carrot which is in brown color, short in size. So, you can imagine whichever way which you want. The next we have is Badger is eating yam. You know this animal, right? It looks like a rat, little bigger in size. It's called as a badger. What is it eating here? It is eating yam. Half yam is eaten and remaining it is eating the yam. Badger is eating yam. I am eating yam. My brother is eating yam. My mama bought yam from the market. Dada boiled the yam. Yam is very tasty. So, different sentences can be formed. Next, we have you, right? Yes. Let's see how it goes. Pooh, can you eat so much honey? You all know Pooh eats honey. So, someone is asking, can you eat so much honey? So, Mama says, can you finish your homework by 2 o'clock? Can you come with me? Can you eat chocolate? Can you give me your pencil? Can you help me, right? Yes, that's the you, how to frame a sentence. Next, my little ones, how did you fall? Pooh, right? Yes. Suppose you fell down, you and your brother or sister or cousins, whoever is playing, suddenly you slipped and fell off. What does your mama or aunts or uncles ask? How did you fall down? How did you fall down? How did you get there? How did you climb up there? You, the word you is being used in that sentence which says it's you, single person. Okay, here we can use it in two ways. You can be used as single person, and when you address the crowd, you can come. But that part we will learn later. Today we are going to learn only single person you, right? It's you. Yak. Waiting to see yak? Yes, it is hairy just like a buffalo. Here it comes. Can you see? Full of hair. It has long hair, right? You can plait the hair of the yak, and it's eating grass. This yak has white fur. They are white fur and they also have brown fur and sometimes black. Okay children, this yak has white fur, yak. It looks like a buffalo. The yak is eating grass. The yak has 2 horns. The yak is a wild animal. The yak lives in the jungle. Yak. So many sentences you can form. Now, you have the next one. The yak is eating grass. This is another yak which is of different color. There are flies around the yak. The grass is green around yak. Yak is side of the tree. Yak is standing. So many sentences you can form using the word yak. The next children, we have yes. How do we use it? The baby said yes. You can say yes. The baby is saying yes. Suppose, for example, something. Mama says, we are going for the picnic today. What do? You say yes. Am I right? Or Dada says, Dada bought you a special chocolate from when he's coming from office. So how do you react? What do you say? Yes, Dada, thank you. Right? Yes. Correct. And then you have, he screamed yes, yes, yes. For example, you participated in the running race. Class 1 has taken to the ground. They played running and you won the first prize, right? So what do you say? Yes, 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 I won, right? You express your happiness in that way, right? Yes, yes, I won. Yes, I did. Yes, I can. That's the way. Next we have yummy. We all love yummy food, right? Let's see how to do it. The fresh cake looks yummy. Just taking it out of the oven. You can see it's puffing up. yummy. Taste yummy. I love yummy food. My mother makes yummy food. My grandma bakes yummy cakes. My dad bought yummy chocolates. He used the sentence to make a sentence by using the word yummy. Next we have Mom made yummy sweets. Mom is making and licking too because it's so yummy. Mom made yummy sweets. Aunt made yummy cookies. My grandma made yummy chocolates. We make chocolates at home, right? Yummy chocolates. Right. Yummy. Now, let's recap the words. Year, Y-E-A-R, year. Y-A-M, yam. Y-O-U, you. Y-A-K, yak, full of hair. Y-E-S, yes. Y-U-M-M-Y, yummy, right? These are the words which we have learned how to write and how to use it. My little ones, that's it for today. You have learned how to write and how to read and how to pronounce as well as how to frame a sentence. So keep practicing to be a best reader in English and speak well too. Bye-bye. Have a great time.